Hey everyone, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. I hope you're having a fabulous week in the crafting world. I know I am. All right, you're probably wondering, why is there a canvas turned upside down on your table? Well, that is because I am going to be showing you a sneak peek from Enabler's Outpost. This canvas has not been released yet. It is supposed to be released, I think, by the end of February, the last week of February. So don't hold me to that, but that's what I was told by beautiful Miss Elizabeth. So I want to thank Elizabeth, first of all, for sending me this gorgeous canvas. You'll know why she sent it to me when I turn it over. Yeah, she knows I would thoroughly enjoy this kit. So thank you so much, Elizabeth, for sending this to me. Okay, so are y'all ready for this? Yes. Okay, here we go. Bam! All right, I am working with natural light today because I wanted you to see the natural colors of the canvas without overhead lights affecting the saturation. So this is called Peony Himalayan, and it's from the artist Purple Kitten Studios. I am going to have the artist information for Instagram down below, so please follow the artist on Instagram. This artist has beautiful, beautiful artwork. Thoroughly enjoyed looking at the artwork on Instagram. Okay, so yes, Purple Kitten Studios. This is a 50 by 65 centimeter round drill kit. Now, the cool thing about this canvas, this kit will be offered in both round and square drills. And that is awesome. I really wish more companies would give you a choice of, round or square. I know that adds a little bit of extra work to the business to render both of them, and it's a little bit more expensive, but I think it's a great option for people that, want to have a choice. But anyway, so this is a round drill kit. She knew I wanted rounds because, I'm a round girl. I'm a round drill girl. Okay. But she sent me this because obviously it's a cat, y'all. It's a cat. It's a Himalayan, which is close to a Siamese. It's basically just a long-haired Siamese cat. And I'm in love with this image. In love with this image, y'all. Y'all, look at that face. Look at that face. Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right. On the left side, you've got a legend with your schematic. And you also have a key code legend on the right side with a schematic. I really appreciate companies that offer the legend on both the left and the right side, because that means while you're working on the canvas, it doesn't matter how you have it turned around, you always have a legend you can refer back to. So I really appreciate that. Okay, here is your sticker sheet. There it is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got 41 colors with shimmer drills. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Okay. All right, now we are going to do the sticky test. Yes, little ASMR for you there. Very sticky, very sticky, very impressive. Okay. All right, now the canvas does have scalloped edges, if you can see that. Scalloped edges. That prevents fraying, so that's awesome. Okay, now we are going to look at the drill field. Look at that beautiful kitty face. All right, all of the symbols are very clear and very bold, which I appreciate for the fact that I'm old and can't see. So yeah, very clear symbols. Go down here to the reds. Ooh. Look at all of that. Very, very clear symbols. Very nice. No guide circles. I appreciate. Not to say that guide circles are bad. Don't come for me. I prefer no guide circles. Okay. All right. Now, these are all of your drills. 41 drills. Look at this. All right. This is a bag of, let's see, 712. 712. Look at that. Okay, so this big bag is going to be a lot of your background. The background is going to have a lot of color blocking. You see that? All of the U symbol. It's be a lot of color blocking. So those of you that like color blocking, there you go. There you go. All my lights. Trying to get it so they're not on the canvas. Okay. And then I'm just going to pull all these out. I love the fact that it's pre-bagged. Pre-bagged. I enjoy working out of baggies. I've gotten a lot of heat from people about working in baggies, but I really enjoy it. Also, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I am going to include clips of me having worked on this canvas. I want to see how the canvas looks once you put drills down in a section. So I am going to include that at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the end. All right. Yes. All right. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Let's look at all of these. Look at these oranges, purple. Look at all these purples. Ooh. Yes. All right. Wow. Really like this. Okay. So it looks like, 37. Where's 37? There's 38. Okay. I'm assuming all of these down here at the bottom, I know you can't see what I'm doing. All of these on the sticker sheet that have an N next to them, I'm pretty sure that means those are the shimmer drills. So I want to pull those out. But look at all these beautiful colors. Okay, that is 22. I want to see this for a second. So this is so that's going to go in the paw. That is very orange. Beautiful color. Okay, we're going to have to see how that looks in the kitty. All right, and 25 is Q. That's also going to go in the cat's paws and in the tail. Okay. All right. Anyway, got distracted. Squirrel. Okay. 38, 39. Where's 37? 37 is also purple. There it is. 40 and 41. 41 is also like a bluish color. I know y'all are like, it's right there. Okay. So these are, like I said, these are all the beautiful colors. I know, I'm a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. Look at all these pretty blues, purples. Look at that. Okay. All right, we're going to move these to the side. We're going to look at these. Okay. 37, 38, 39. Okay. So I'm pretty sure, yes. I'm sure these are the shimmer drills. Look at that. Y'all see that? So pretty. So pretty. And the purples, obviously, they are going to be throughout. Oh, let me zoom back out. Whoops. I don't want to see my lap. All right, so they are going to be throughout the flowers. Wherever you see purple and blue are going to be the shimmer drills. That's going to be amazing. I am excited. So yeah, you get 5 shimmer drill colors. That's a lot of drills for the background. And I'm sure it's also going to go, yeah, it's going to go throughout the cat as well, through the white and the cat here. Y'all, how adorable is this canvas? I think it's so cute. So cute. So again, this will be available at the end of February. And I am just going to do a little plug here because I can. My channel, do what I want. So Hannah, Sparkling Spectrumite, and myself, we are planning on hosting a cat event, diamond painting event in August. So this would be absolutely perfect for our cat event. Absolutely perfect. Um, Love it. Just wanted to throw that out there. We haven't come up with a name yet, but we will. So, yay. Awesome, awesome. Okay, again, Purple Kitten Studios is the artist, Peony Himalayan, 50 by 65 round drill kit. This one is round. Also will be available in a square from Enablers Outpost. Yeah, so if you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. And again, I will have Enablers Outpost information in the description of this video, as well as the Instagram link for Purple Kitten Studios, the artist. So thank you again to Enablers Outpost for sending this to me as a sneak peek for all of you. And make sure you stay to the end so you can see clips from me working on this canvas so you can see it up close and personal. I hope all of you have a fabulous, fabulous rest of your week, and I will see you again very soon.